Okay, so in this problem, in the figure shown, determine the weight W that can be carried by the 1.5 kilonewton force acting on the piston. So, inganig ni siya. This is like the casing and it is sealed. Dili basta-basta magawas ang kwanda na oil pagawas. And the piston can actually move. No, kung mag-wonder ta, maka-move ang piston in out, but dili ang fluid, meaning snugly fit ni Dani, meaning gamay jud kay ng difference dana sa kuan sa kanindani nga part gamay og space, meaning dili magawas ang oil but ang piston can move freely. But in reality, nagi mo leak ana niya, but in this case it's negligible. Also here, we have here another piston, but of course in this case we just would like to ask what will be the weight of this piston that the 1.5 kilonewton force here uh, could support. Well, here the piston here is 30 millimeter ang ihang diameter, diri kay 300. Oil is what is unsa ang oil na sulod. Ang idea ni is simple lang gid ang idea. Uh, Supposed to be the this one will create pressure, this one also will create pressure, and essentially kay mubo lang maning difference sa height nila, pareho lang essentially ang pressure dana nila within the oil inside this cylinder ba ni yung ana. So, well, we must calculate. Kung 1.5 kilonewton ang force, pila may pressure equivalent ana niya if it acts kani nga kuan force ga-act over this area 30 mm. In this case, we'll calculate first pressure due to that one due to that force is equal to force 1.5, so that's 1,500 Newton. Area will be pi fourth diameter. Convert everything to a standard SI. That's 30 mm divided 1,000. That's 0.03 squared. Pi fourth d squared ang formula. So therefore, we could have pressure here exerted due to this force is equal to 2.12 megapascal. So that's quite high. 2.12 megapascal. Okay. And now, what will be the equivalent weight of here that this will also support, no? Meaning kani pud siya moak pud maghatag pud ni siya og pressure dapat na equal to that for this to be balanced really. So therefore, P will be here will be also the weight. That's what we're looking for. The area, we know the area to be pi 4 times the area is 300, so that's 0.3 square. So therefore, pressure here, pressure there, we could solve for W. And the simplest way to do this really is we don't calculate for play pressure play pressure, but we equate only. So mas kuan ni siya, mas mathematically simpler. So we have here 1,500 Newton of force equal to over pi fourth d squared, and we know the diameter to be 0.03 squared. Here we have here weight. Other side, weight is equal to pi fourth. Okay, here is 0.3 squared. Simply the pi 4 cancels, and actually that will give us weight which is equal to, well, if you think of this, 0.3 over 0.03, to make it mathematically simpler, you could have actually here W is equal to, well, 0.3 squared over 0.03 squared times 1,500. And what is that? 0.3 over 0.03 squared, it can just be written as 0.3 divide 0.03 squared. And that is simply 0.3 divide 0.03, that's simply what? That's 10. 10 squared is 100. 100. Therefore, weight here will be 100 times this one, so that will be 150, 50, 100, 150,000 or 150 kilonewton. So this is now the answer. Okay? Mas kuha na siya, mathematically simpler. Of course, pwede po na musulbon good kung pila yung value. Anyway na, may calculate. Pero mas kuha siya. Medyo langan. Now, in gani nga case, unsa day purpose ani niya? Here, this simply means that this force, 1.5, can actually support a force which is 150, 100 times its own value. Kay agi mo ni mechanical advantage. Because here, the area in which this force acts is very small, 30 mm only, while this one is 300. So, kaya niya na masupport. So, what is 1.5 kilonewton of force? That's pila may equivalent ana kung tao po kung ikaw, pila man imo dayong timbang kung ikaw. Example, you weigh 50 kilograms, pila may weight nimo ana in terms of kilonewton, pila man na siya? Equivalent to 50 times 9.8, 50 times 9.8, that's 490. So meaning, kung tulo ka tao, meaning kuan lang ka, 0.49 kilonewton. But meaning, dili ka na siya, nga na yun ka dako ng 1.5. But this one is quite heavy. So, nga ang idea, kaya suportahan sa gamay nga force ang dako nga force because of this device. And this is very good principle, using the principle of fluid statics for us to be able to utilize that. Ahamang ka na, makasupport ko dako kay nga weight, 100 times of your own, 1.5, with just using this device. So, it's very good.